Have you ever wondered what it is that men want in a woman? Sure, there are a lot of shallow guys out there who are only interested in a woman's looks, in a certain body type or set of features. But that's not who I'm talking about. But if you think that it might have something to do with your personality, then it's easy to fix. You just need to know a little bit about male psychology and what they look for in a female. In this video, we are going to show you the psychology behind the top 13 traits that men find really attractive in a woman. If you are new here, this channel is all about teaching you social psychology videos. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let's start. Number 1. Be caring. Women are more caring and sensitive by nature, so it's time to use that to your advantage. Research has found that men have a kind, caring side as an important quality in a woman. Men are attracted to a woman who can take care of them and take care of them, even when he is not emotionally available, hitting on the love of his life. Women are great listeners, and if you can bring out the emotional and sensitive side of him by making him feel comfortable, your relationship will light up like lightning. But it's not just about how you treat your man, it's also about how you treat his friends and family. Be kind and friendly with them too. Men like women are affectionate and polite to everyone they meet. That means he'll be happy to show you when the time is right. Now, if you are on your first date, you should be aware of how you come across. Some women may have a naturally relaxed face that can turn some men off. If that's the case, you might want to work on smiling more. It will make you seem more open, friendly, and likable. Make sure you listen and ask for insightful connections. Once he feels comfortable, he will begin to see your caring side and realize that he can trust you when he needs to vent his feelings. Number 2. A sense of humor. No matter who you are, no matter what sex you're interested in, everyone is attracted to a person who can make them laugh. It is no different for men. Research has found that men like women who laugh at their jokes and can make them laugh. This is not just a joke. Of course, not all of us are naturally witty. But it's about people who can laugh together. When you can't help but laugh in sync, spending time together is exciting, positive, and fun. However, what men don't like is when women constantly use sarcastic humor. So, if you can help it, try not to make fun of him by teasing him. Turning him off can have the opposite effect on you. You want to make him laugh, not lower his self-confidence. Number 3. Understanding him. Every man wants to have a woman who understands him. He wants someone who takes him to a deeper level and knows how he feels as soon as she looks at him. Many women think that all guys are after only one thing, but that is not true. I'm not saying that we don't live in a world full of mean boys, emotional manipulators, and sociopaths, but there are good people too. You have to dig a little deeper. Once a man finds a woman who understands him without needing too much information, he sticks to her. Every man wants to have his safe haven, and once they find such a woman, they don't let her get that easy. Understanding and support make a successful relationship, and if you have these two along with love, you can face every problem that arises. Number 4. Confident. Another attitude that men love in women is when you are confident. Once he sees you carry yourself with enough confidence, there's no going back because you can fill the room with that powerful energy. Confidence is not arrogance. Confidence is something you can spot a mile away. It doesn't mean you are arrogant or better than others. A woman's confidence is a strength and attitude towards life. Being a 100% faithful woman makes things much easier for him. If he likes you, you'll let him know right away. If he doesn't like you, you won't get into trouble with him by letting him know without mixed signals. When you're a confident woman, you know exactly what you want and where you're going, a quality he can love. Number 5. You take care of yourself. There is nothing more attractive to a man than a woman who takes care of herself. Whether it concerns her physical appearance or her mental and emotional health, a woman who takes care of herself will always be more attractive than one who doesn't. This is because it shows that she values herself and is worth taking care of. Simple things like eating healthy, exercising, and getting enough sleep are signs that you're taking care of yourself. When you're around him, smell good, breathe fresh, and feel confident about your appearance. This is one of the greatest qualities every man has in a woman. Number 6. Showing him love. It may seem obvious, but showing love is an art and doing it well can be a huge treat. A man's natural desire is to protect women, and he can feel the same way when you show him affection and make him feel wanted. It is a really powerful attitude when you run to him, seeking help or protection. It's something that works instinctively. Making a man feel wanted makes him feel complete. And when you bring wise advice or insight to make him a better person, a good man will always listen with respect and gratitude, because caring is a way of showing him your love. Number 7. Show your beautiful smile. There is no getting around it. Men love a beautiful, bright smile. You might think that wearing long eyelashes or big red lipstick will get you a guy's attention, but actually smiling does more than they can put together. When you have a big, happy smile, it not only shows your confidence, but it also makes you seem cheerful, friendly, and outgoing. We talked about how men love excitement. Well, a big, bright smile gives them the excitement they crave. There's a reason research studies have found that people are more attractive when they smile. Now obviously there isn't much you can do to change your smile and its appearance, but what you can do is make sure you smile as much as possible. A beautiful smile can do wonders. You just need to make sure you use it. Number 8. Kindness. This quality came down from heaven. It's a really underrated feature. Kindness is one of the most beautiful traits a woman can have, and it's shockingly attractive. This is one of the attitudes of men towards women. The key to a lasting relationship is a kind and generous woman who acts as a bridge between a man and the rest of the world. And it is a characteristic that no one can hide. When a woman responds and acts with kindness, it shows that she is emotionally mature and trustworthy. That calmness in your heart can drive him crazy with love. The happiest couples love each other and will always show great respect for their life partner. Have you ever heard the wise quote, "Never go to bed angry"? Well, being a kind woman, his night is peaceful and full of the warmest love you can give. The moments of comfort and trust are the most attractive feelings that will draw him away from toxic relationships and closer to your heart. Number 9. You are reliable. Many men are known to be providers. They like to feel needed and want to have a relationship with someone they can depend on. This is why men are attracted to women who are reliable and trustworthy. If you are always there for your man, he will surely appreciate you. There are several things you can do to show your man that you are faithful. First, make sure you are always on time. If you say you're going somewhere, make sure you're there when you say you will be. Second, keep your promises. If you tell your man you're going to do something, make sure you do it. Finally, be someone he can trust to be there for him no matter what. When you are faithful, you show your man that he can depend on you and that you are someone he can trust. Number 10. She is respectful. Respect goes both ways, and while much has been written about men respecting women, a man expects that respect back. This applies to the way she talks to him, the way she behaves with him, and the respect she shows him even when he is not around. When a man and a woman show the same high respect for each other, they will feel equal as part of a team. When showing respect, it tells the recipient that they are worthy of respect, and this affirmation is just as important for a man as it is for a woman. Number 11. She is ambitious. Besides helping a man achieve his dreams and goals, the perfect woman also has her own goals. The perfect woman has a clear vision of her future and goes after it with determination. It doesn't necessarily have to be a job or a career, just something she's passionate about. Men are attracted to women who challenge their thinking, stimulate their emotions in a positive way, and give them money. An extremely strong-willed woman can also be stubborn, which can sometimes be very frustrating. A smart woman knows how to pick her battles diplomatically. That's what helps her become a winner in the game of life. An ambitious, mature woman is someone who can take on the world for a guy. Partner in relationship and in life. Number 12. You are his best friend. What does it mean to be someone's best friend? Being someone's best friend means that you are someone they can rely on, trust and believe in. It also means that you have a deep connection and understanding with that person. Men are attracted to women who are their best friends because it creates a strong foundation for a relationship. If you can make him feel like you are his best friend, he will definitely be attracted to you. Number 13. You respect his independence. Many women make the mistake of being too needy and clinging to a relationship. It is important to show your man that you care about him, and you should respect his independence. This means giving him the space he needs and not demanding too much of his time. This is something that is very important to many men, even if they don't always admit it. If you can show your man that you respect his independence, he will fall in love with you.